Welcome back to the channel. I get asked a lot, can the burner system, the X72 burner system, stand alone? Well, I just wanted to set up and show you, this is my camp kit, which I just take this duffel bag out and I take this folding table out. It's a 2x4 and then it folds to a 2x2, and it has 3 different height adjustments. So it's perfect if I want to go all the way up and do some prep on the table, I'm not bending over. And then the next level down is what I cook on, the cooking level. So I'm just going to dive in and show you what's inside the bag. I carry a 14-inch wok out in the field. I also carry a 12-inch. And then I have the 11-inch handheld strainer. And then I carry this strainer I use for frying, deep frying, and there's other uses for it. And then we take the burner out and turn this bag this way now. Got the burner, I got the regulator in here. I carry a wok ring when I use 2 woks, so I can set it there and nothing's going to roll off. That stainless steel pan. And then I have my ladle, right? So, and I also carry a spatula in here, but most of the time I just use a ladle when I'm cooking. And then I'll just set this aside. Then, so the other thing you want to have is a damp towel. It serves a couple purposes. First of all, the burner, when you fire it up, it does get hot inside the iron bowl under the wok. It does generate a certain amount of heat. That's what the stainless steel pan is for. I put the burner on top of that. But before I do that, I put a damp towel underneath that stainless steel pan. Let's do it this way. And that prevents it from sliding, right? So that's it. You just set that up. And then that's the camp kit right there. You don't need the ez-wok cart. I like the ez-wok cart when I'm at home, but when I'm out in the field, I usually take something like this with me. So I hope that answered your questions. Thanks for stopping by, and we're going to be putting out a couple new recipes real soon, so stick around.